It's your girl again, Cassandra. So this week I will be making elderberry syrup. Wow, elderberry syrup. Let me read out the benefits to you. First, it suppresses cold and flu. If you've got constipation, this is the perfect syrup to take. Hay fever and sinus infection, especially for children. So I will be showing you today how to make the syrup. Only takes about an hour preparation just because it has to cook, steam before you store it in the fridge. I will be storing it in this jar. Today, it's an airtight jar. I think it's better, and also in a glass container. So today, all I'd need would be it's about almost a cup of dried elderberries, just a bit of honey, some ginger, and cinnamon powder. So let's go. Put in some water, some bottle. Then I'll add my elderberries. Guys, you see how this color changes? And then my honey. I just usually use my hands. My hands are clean, guys, so make sure you wash your hands first. This is roughly about a teaspoon of honey. And add some ginger. If you want it really peppery, you can add more ginger. Now add in about half a teaspoon of cinnamon powder. And just allow, mix. Mix it and then let it stay. As you can see, it's actually very low. This is to make sure that all the nutrients from each and every of these ingredients comes out. So looks like I might need to add a bit more water, just a little bit more. That looks good to me. So on medium low heat, we leave for about 30 minutes to 45 minutes to steam. So it's ready now. Steam for about 45 minutes, and then I'll put it in the jar. Now I'm going to put it in to the jar and strain it. Keep it in the fridge. So guys, see how red this looks. This should be in your fridge. I think this can last for up to 2-3 weeks. But I recommend you take it as soon as you can. Say bye to cold and flu. So it's all ready. This is an elderberry syrup, about 2 tablespoons a day for adults and a tablespoon for children, maybe once in the morning, once in the evening. So that's it, guys. Easy peasy cold and flu home remedy here. If you like this, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.